Coming to you today from Web Summit. For people that don't know, Web Summit is the largest technology festival in the world. We'll have over 70,000 people here today. And with me is Gary Sarenvercha, who is with Daisy Intelligence located in York Region, City of Vaughan. Welcome.
Thank you, Gordon.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about Daisy Intelligence and just introduce to the audience.
Fantastic. Yeah, at Daisy Intelligence, we're an AI platform that helps retailers and finance companies make smarter decisions. Our goal is to lower the cost of goods and services by helping companies make smarter decisions and affect consumer cost of goods and prices and reduce poverty.
Excellent. And so here you are at Web Summit. Why'd you come? What was behind the reason you're coming here?
Well, our company, with the help of the great Canadian partners in York Region and the Toronto area, we're growing. We have customers. We're scaling out globally. So we're here to meet some investors who are at this show and look for new potential investors to help us scale out, and perhaps look for prospects as well in the European market.
Excellent. And if somebody wanted to reach you today, what's the best way of getting a hold of you?
Well, I'm in the Web Summit app. You can find my name there, Gary Sarenvercha, and you go to our website, www.daisyintelligence.com.
Excellent. Well, thanks a lot and have a great show.
Thanks so much.
Take care.